Hey, camera's all goofy. Hey, gals and guys, it's Christopher Mosher from MyMediaHelper.com, and today I'm just going to look at and review with you the Jitterbug. And really, the only reason I'm reviewing this product in the first place is I just want an excuse to have George Michael appear in the beginning of my tutorial video or my review video. So let's talk about the Jitterbug. Shout Jitterbug. Jitterbug. So here's the Jitterbug. You can either get it in. Why am I ghosting? Why am I ghosting all of a sudden? I'm like a negative. What the fuck? I don't know. Anyways, it's probably because this is a black This is a black background. I'm assuming this is weird. Yep. And now I'm negative. Okay. Little bloopers that we have while we record tutorial and review videos. So anyways, here's the Jitterbug. You can either get it, what the hell is this thing right here? I guess it's a flip phone. I guess we used that about 150 years ago. I guess the flip phones still exist. So you can get it either as a smart device or a flip phone, depending. Obviously, the flip phones are going to be less expensive and your smart device is going to be more expensive. So my mother actually got this because she's an elderly lady. She's an older lady. She's 80. How the hell old is she? Oh, she's 82. She's 82 years old, and she just needs something simple. So we went to Best Buy, and you can and these are the prices at the time because they were on sale. Here's the flip phone, obviously different colors, and then here's your smart devices. And this is what we paid, or I didn't pay. This is what she paid from what she got from her tax return. And just to make life easier for her, she's not exactly the most, she doesn't necessarily gravitate to electronics very well. So here's the box that you see in the store. And then we'll talk about prices and everything. So, here's the device itself. I'm not sure how well it will show up on camera. And then you can get yourself a case, which I always recommend to get yourself a case in case you drop it or something. Plus, it looks nice, right? Nice little pink case. You see my soul sky high when your loving starts. A jitterbug into my brain. So this is basically what you get with the packaging. This is purple here. I'm not sure if that's an older version. It's pink here. What the hell's the difference? I have no idea. It's the same thing on there. And you do get a charger. So you can either do your USB connection here and just plug it into the wall. And then it just goes, put your USB in here. Like that. And you plug that into your wall. And then you're plugging this into your phone. Like so, or you can just bypass this, just pop this off, and then you just find a USB port on your computer. There's one on my cable box over there, which is unusual, that I use to charge my phone. Actually, my personal phone's being charged over there. Last night you left me sleeping in my bed. I was dreaming, but I should have been. So you also get these big, thick instructions, and it's a thin book. It's got lots of pretty pictures in it. I'm a guy. I don't need instructions or directions. Just turn it on and know how to automatically use it. Or you can go online and there's a PDF here, which is not 100% correct because the volume buttons aren't there. They're up here and the power button is down there. So I don't know. Maybe they're old instructions. But so here's the unit. And on the side here, like I said, the power button's here. And these are the volume buttons. And I think this is like your alert. But let's turn this thing on. Hopefully you can see it. It's fairly dark. I think it's going to rain. And we'll turn this on. And then, so when you initially turn it on, it's going to ask you a bunch of information, your network, your information, your name, and so on. I have already done that. What this is probably going to do, because this probably hasn't been turned on in, 2 months, a month, is just ask for updates and things of that nature. So you're just going to go through the prompts. It's not hard whatsoever. Just do what it's saying. So if you see, it is powered by Android. So it is an Android interface, just like a smart device. It's the same interface. It's like an operating system for your computer, right? Macintosh has their own operating system. PC has Windows 10, Windows 11. Same deal with this. It's an Android operating system or interface, if you will, and then it's just programmed to make things simpler for the user because that's what Jitterbug, that's their claim to fame, right? That's what they're selling, is an easier way for people that aren't necessarily electronically inclined to easily use their device. Okay, so let's talk about the plans a little bit here. So as you can see, it's $19.99 a month. So add data to complete your phone plan. Now I'm trying to think. We must have went with 1 gig data plan. Does that make sense? So it comes out to be like $24 in. I was thinking I was after taxes. I could be incorrect there. So maybe it is 1 gig because my mother doesn't really use texting. Doesn't really use the internet. So maybe we just did that as a trial. So I'm thinking maybe we did the $19.99 plan with the 1 gig data because it comes out to be like $24 or something like that. So I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory. I'll have this link in the description as far as what the plans and the cost are. And I believe I touched upon this, and we'll touch on it further going down the line in this video. So I just wanted to touch on the plans, and it's pretty inexpensive too. So I have Mint Mobile, Ryan Reynolds' company, and it was just bought by T-Mobile, which goes over the T-Mobile network anyways, which I'll be discussing in this video. And I pay $15 a month for, I think, 5 or 6 gig. They just upped it, 6 gig of data. So is this pricing right? I think so. Why am I thinking that she pays $24 for 5 gigs each month? But this gives you a general idea of what the data plan is. So if I go by cost, it is $19.99 with 1 gig data because she's only paying about $24 a month. So still, it's economical compared to what I was paying for Verizon, which was $70, $80 a month. And this is the Verizon network, but a whole different ball of wax. I think it's economical. I think it's a good price. Jitterbug uses Verizon towers, but you don't need a Verizon to be a Verizon customer. So it's just like me. I'm through Mint Mobile. I go through T-Mobile. So Ryan Reynolds, Deadpool. I'm sure you know who Ryan Reynolds is, the actor. But anyways, that's his company, which T-Mobile just purchased. So that'd be interesting. That's a whole other video. But anyways, I go through, my service goes through the T-Mobile network. Jitterbug goes through Verizon, which is probably better because I think Verizon, at least in New York, at least in Western New York, I think is a more solid, stable system than T-Mobile in my experience. I use T-Mobile because Verizon pissed me off because they were charging me $70, $80 a month, and I wasn't going to pay that. Mint Mobile was $15 plus some change. So I think I'm for my Mint Mobile. It's pretty much the same price after taxes and everything. It's about $24. So if you're looking at this plan, middle of the road plan, I would say is a good bet for kind of your elderly people that don't use the internet that much, don't text that much. I think that's a good solid plan, and it's a good price each month. So that's my recommendation for you as far as that's concerned. And then we're going to get into the phone itself. So I just wanted to go over plans quickly with you. And I am all over the place here. Like, okay, this is your urgent response. This has urgent response too, though. Introducing new health and safety packages. Okay. These are health and safety packages. Okay, so that's $24.99 for your urgent response and Lively Link, and then $34.99. And remember, throw $5 tax on top of all this. Urgent response. So we didn't do that on this. This doesn't have an urgent response. She doesn't need it. There's other ways she can contact emergency very quickly. So that's also a choice when you get this. Wake me up before you go. Don't leave me hanging on like a yo-yo. Wake me. So here's the interface. It's a very simple interface. It's not like your smart device where you have all your apps all over the freaking place. So you've got phone, text, contacts, camera, internet. It's so easy. It's so simple. So you just hit phone. The top one's phone. All right. And then you have dial pad, you have call history, you have contacts, and you have voicemail. And that's it. It's pretty self-explanatory. You got the back button on the bottom, you got the home button to go to the main screen. So you hit the back button. Text messages. So, yeah, so my mom's grandchildren, they both texted around April, so I'll bring this out to her, and she can text them back. Very simple. Interface is so very simple. Contacts, you put your contacts in, camera and photos. Internet, that might be challenging for an elderly person or a person that's not used to computer devices. You'd probably have to set that up. So you just have it hit internet, and there we are. You have to hit the Wi-Fi. You got to put in the Wi-Fi password, but you just hit internet and they're on. So simple, so easy. I'm an advocate for this phone. It's self-explanatory. Email, map and directions, lively settings. Okay, so like three to the bottom, three from the bottom, two from the bottom. You've got your settings, and then once you hit settings, you go to internet and devices. And then from there, at the top one is Wi-Fi. And then you find your network, which is My Media Helper. You hit the network, you put in the password, you get on the network. It is that freaking simple. All right, you can do Bluetooth. So let's go back. And that's it, gals and guys. There's how-to guides on how to use the phone. There's view all apps. You hit that. You probably can add apps. Yeah, you can search apps. So that's kind of probably more advanced for what this was designed for. The purpose of this phone is not to get all crazy with a bunch of different apps. You might as well just get a fucking smart device if you're going to do that. This is just to simplify life, people's lives that aren't technically inclined or technically savvy. So I would buy this freaking phone to use it because it's got everything that I use it for. I don't use the phone a lot. It's very simple. Sit down with your loved one for half an hour, and if they don't get this, then I hate to say they're a lost cause. They're never going to get it. It's so simple. It's so easy to use, and I don't see how you could get it any simpler for someone to use a smart device like this, to get on the internet, to text, to call. So simple. Jitterbug. Price is right. I don't mean to sound like Bob Barker, who's Drew Carey is the man now. They're all on sale. We bought this at Best Buy, like I said. She purchased this at Best Buy. These are the prices that were just at Best Buy, so they must have lowered everything. I'm going to put the links through Amazon for both the smartphone and the flip phone on there. So if you purchase off my video that I'm making now, then I do get a kickback on that. I do get some money, and the channel gets some money off that, just as a heads up. Or go to Best Buy. I'm sure Walmart has it. Check Walmart. And I think the prices are all pretty much the same. And that's it. I'll have this Lively website with the plans in the description, so you can check those out. I'll have the Lively website in the description. And that's it, gals and guys. I highly recommend this. I'm not getting a kickback or anything for me saying that. It's just a simple interface, and it's a good product. The price is good. I mean, less for $100 for a smart device. It works quickly. Get on the internet, chat and text. If I was 80, 90 years old, I would get this freaking thing. All right, gals and guys, that's all I got to tell you. I appreciate you as always. I hope you got something out of this. Please ask any questions you might have below. If I didn't cover it, I'll get into the system. I'll get into the phone, and I'll figure out the answer for you, and I'll make a video on it, or I'll answer in the chat. And that's it, gals and guys. Please subscribe. Please like. If you like this video, please share with anyone that's considering picking up a Jitterbug. I think it's well worth it. And then hit the bell for updates. And that's all I got to tell you. I got other things, other videos to do. As always, never stop. It's ongoing. There's no ending. Technology keeps going. So does this channel. All right, guys and gals, I'll catch you later. Bye-bye.